Micron stock falls 3.84% in pre-market trading as it reportedly exits China's data center market following 2023 ban. Micron has been one of those stocks that is super extended here. I know we've been looking for potential short entry for that just on a regression back to the mean at this point. Micron shares fell 3.4% in pre-market trading on Friday after a report emerged that the U.S. chipmaker will withdraw from China's data center market, ending a difficult chapter marked by Beijing's 2023 ban on its products and critical infrastructure. Micron, the first American chipmaker targeted by Beijing in 2023, decided to halt chip sales to Chinese data centers after its business there failed to recover from the ban. That report came from Reuters, citing two people briefed on the decision. The company will continue supplying chips to two Chinese customers with data center operations abroad, including Lenovo, ticker LNVGY. That's on the OTC markets, by the way. It will also maintain sales to China's automotive and smartphone industries, which remain significant sources of revenue, the reported note said. Micron derived $3.4 billion, about 12% of its total revenue, from mainland China last year. In a statement to the publication, Micron said its data center division had been impacted by the Chinese government's restrictions and that it continues to comply with all applicable regulations. The ban, widely seen as retaliation for Washington's export curbs on advanced chips, has pushed China to accelerate domestic semiconductor development. Rival firms such as Samsung and SK Hynix have since captured Micron's lost market share, aided by local players like YMTC and CXMT, which are supported by Beijing. Data center investment in China surged ninefold last year to 24.7 billion yuan or 3.4 billion USD, according to government procurement records reviewed by the publication. Micron exit follows reports that China has intensified customs inspections of NVIDIA's AI chips and other advanced semiconductors to curb smuggling and enforce regulatory guidance. The crackdown comes as both nations deepen export and import restrictions, extending the semiconductor sell-off that began in 2018 under President Trump. Here's a look at Micron's Benzinga Edge rankings here. Really high momentum score, really high growth score, and a really good quality score. Not quite in the 90th percentile, but very, very close.